Find features that differentiate it from other brands for MOMOKOVA Bladeless Tower Fan. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Enjoy ultra-fast winds. Unlike ordinary floor fans, powerful bladeless fan adopts the most advanced silent turbine technology and features a widened air outlet, enabling air speed to reach 26 feet per second. This design allows air to flow out more powerfully and smoothly, providing you with all the wind you need to cool down instantly. Wider airflow circulation. This bladeless floor fan features a 90 degrees wide-angle oscillating design that efficiently distributes ample airflow, circulating it throughout the room more quickly. Its powerful turbocharged air delivery system ensures a constant, refreshing breeze, keeping everyone in the room comfortable on hot days. Customizable Comfort. Touch/remote control, 12-hour timer function and negative ion mode make this floor fan an ideal one for home use. The 24-speed design is suitable for various occasions. You can control the air speed level from anywhere in the room and easily set the auto shut-off timer for ultimate comfort and convenience. Low noise design. Enjoy uninterrupted peace day and night with this oscillating fan. Its ultra-efficient brushless DC motor operates at just 35 decibels, quieter than a whisper, making it ideal for bedrooms and offices. Engage sleep mode to automatically adjust speeds while the display turns off, ensuring a completely undisturbed rest. Effortlessly portable, zero assembly needed. This oscillating fan combines sleek, compact style with ultimate convenience. Its clever arched design isn't just a visual highlight, it's a built-in handle, inviting you to move it effortlessly. Take personalized comfort from your home office to your bedroom instantly. It arrives fully assembled, so you can start enjoying cool breezes the moment it arrives. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.